Today, Hidalgo County launched a new online registration system to make it easier for residents to sign up for the COVID vaccine.
Channel 5's Monica De Anda joins us live with what you need to know. Monica?
Good evening, Oscar, Christine. Today I spoke to Eddie Olivares, Chief Administrative Officer for Hidalgo County Health and Human Services, and he's calling this a new registration system, another tool that the county will use to keep registering the community. He says it's simply another option, but not the only way that people can continue to register for the vaccine.
At 9 a.m. this morning, Hidalgo County rolled out this online portal for county residents to sign up for the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine. We're told about 30,000 people attempted to secure a vaccine.
When you have electronic systems, they're going to get taken up very quickly. And I know that's frustrating for some people.
Eddie Olivares, Chief Administrative Officer for Hidalgo County Health and Human Services, says just minutes after the online registration system launched, all 330 vaccines were accounted for. And there is no waiting list, so those who couldn't register today will have to check back for more available doses. The reason for that?
For example, you might get 5,000, 10,000 people registered, but you only receive 1,000, 2,000 doses a week. It's going to take several weeks to get through all those 10,000 cases. And at that time, a lot of those people probably will go somewhere else to get a vaccine.
According to numbers from the Texas Department of State Health Services, for the past 3 weeks, Hidalgo County hubs have received 15,360 doses. The number of vaccines remaining steady, but that's not the case valley-wide. Last week, we saw a 20.2% decrease in vaccine shipment, followed by a smaller 1.31% decrease for this week.
Why is it that Hidalgo County is staying steady with the same amount of vaccines? Do you know?
Well, I know that for Hidalgo, Cameron, Webb, and El Paso County are considered priority counties, and we are in the top 10 priority counties in Texas.
Olivares says the demand for the vaccine is still outweighing the supply, but they're doing their best to make vaccines available. So far, 209,450 first doses have been administered to Hidalgo County residents. Olivares says that's about 20% of the county's population.
And then when you figure conservatively 30% of those 200,000 have gotten their second dose already.
But Olivares says keeping track of immunizations is just as important as administering vaccines, which is why they're working on adding an M-Track immunization registry system to the HIPAA-compliant vaccine registration system in the next few weeks.
And for people who may not have access to a computer or simply just aren't as tech savvy, Olivares says they can still call the county to try and register that way. And if you're willing to try out this new registration system, we'll have that link for you to register up on our website, krgv.com, after the newscast. In Edinburgh, Monica De Anda, Channel 5 News at 6.